Hey guys, good morning. Ankit this side, and in this particular video, I'm just going to share with you like how you can easily save the numbers in your Gmail account in your iPhone. Because every time when we will use iPhone and we set the setup in account, okay, and after that we can only check it out there and just save the numbers in your Gmail account automatically. But in the iPhone, we need to get some kind of settings in your mobile, and after that you can save the numbers in your Gmail. Okay, so firstly we will check it out there, like is it working or not. So firstly we will go through Chrome and search for my numbers, like I can search for my Papa Ji, and there is a number, right? So this is a number, so I will delete it. Okay, to check it out that how it will be work. All right, the number has been already deleted, and now I will search for Papa Ji, but in the Gmail there is no number. All right, and you can check it out there. The mail ID is ankitkamal69@gmail.com. all right, so now we will go through with the accounts and check how it can be work. So firstly we will go in the settings. So after that we just need to click on contacts, and there is the option for account. Okay, so right now there is no account added in your settings, in my settings, so I will just use that and click on Google. Okay, just be online and keep watching it. So I will use my Gmail ID, that is Ankit Kamal 69 at the rate gmail.com. All right, so number has been come here, like mail ID is come here, and I will just use the password over here, and the password has been entered by automated setups. And now I will just open it and make it done. Alright, so my account has been signed in right now. Okay, so you can check it out here at my account has come in. Okay, and now what I will do, just go through with the default account, and there is two options. One is iCloud and second one is Gmail. So once you need to press on Gmail. Okay, once you will press on that, so whatever the number you will save in your account, that will come in your Gmail account. Already. Okay, so now I will just save the numbers which I have deleted. So my Papa's number is there, and now I add mobile, that is okay. So number has been saved here, and now we will check it out there in the Gmails, like is it has been saved or not. So firstly you need to refresh this account, like is this page. So I hope page has been refreshed, and now I will search for Papaji. All right, so now you can check it out here, like the mobile number is coming here. Okay, so easily you can save the numbers in your Gmail account, okay, by doing these setups. Thank you.